Alright, I'm in Southwest Florida, and I like to do this. It's pretty hot in the attics up here, so I like to do it all right here on the back of my truck before I put it up. So what I got here is I got the trap. It's loaded with a piece of rodent rope that I just cut off. It's ProPest lures, wax impregnated. It's another product we have. But anyways, this is what I'm going to catch a rat with. And when I load it like this, it's going to come off of the circuit. And then when the rodent feeds on it and it falls, it's going to connect the circuit. It's wired into the auto dialer and wired into my Bluetooth phone line device. So it's as simple as taking all this up there, plugging it in, programming a phone number in it, and when the rat takes this and it comes down and this drops on the circuit, it's going to call my cell phone and tell me I have a rat. So instead of coming back all the time, I'm just going to wait for him to call me on my phone. Okay. Alright, I'm inside a house, and in this day and age, not everyone has a landline phone, so I'm going to show you how to hook up the either rodent rope or the rat trap adapter to a phone line. What I've done here is I own a magic jack, and all I have to do is plug it into the back of the computer, and then I plug my Bluetooth phone line right here into the magic jack. And then the Bluetooth phone line goes into a power source. So in a few simple steps, I have got a live phone line that will call anywhere in the United States. And there's two of these right here. I'm going to take the other one up in the attic, and I'm going to set up the rat trap adapter. I'm after rats today, and then after we catch a few rats, we'll leave the rodent rope up in the attic. So again, it's a magic jack plugged into any computer. This thing costs $20, and it's $20 a year. So if you're going to use this system, you'll need one of these. Not necessarily, but you know, it covers all your bases. If they don't have a live phone line, you can use anybody's personal computer to give you a live phone line, and then plugged into the Bluetooth adapter. Okay, I'm up in the attic, and this is my other Bluetooth device that brings my phone line into the attic. So I've literally done this job right here in the attic. I plug the auto dialer in, the phone line from the auto dialer goes into the other Bluetooth device, and it's a simple wire into the snap trap adapter. When these rodents find this, and they find the rodent rope pieces impregnated with ProPest lure from JF Oaks, this trap is going to snap. The little centerpiece is going to connect to the wires, and it's going to call me on my phone. So for all practical purposes here, I'm not going to have to visit this site again until I get a phone call. This is a snap trap adapter. This is a dead roof rat that I caught, and this wire runs to my auto dialer. So the trap snapped when he was feeding on it, and as you can see real close right here, this was up in the air like this when the trap was set, and when it snapped him on the head, it fell down, it made the connection, and it called me on my auto dialer through this wire. So most of the time I'm finding that the rat's head will hold it down, but it really doesn't have to. There's no way it can miss. It just falls, it makes the connection, and it signals the auto dialer to call you. So I'm catching roof rats, and they're calling my cell phone. I don't have to make those trips out there to check the traps all the time. I'll go in, set the traps the first time. I'll go back the next night and catch most of them. And then I use the auto dialer and the rat trap adapter right here to catch the more dominant, smarter rats in the next 10 days. So I'm making rats, call my cell phone in Florida. You can also use this system with the auto dialer and the early detection system with the rodent ropes. So you can use it in all sorts of applications, but it's all about saving money going on all those trips to the rodent site. It's about using new technology and saving that money, saving that fuel expense. you know, saving the truck expense.